everyone, good afternoon. Before I introduce myself, my name is Isti Muslihatun. I'm a clinical psychologist who work in a hospital in Yogyakarta. Okay, previous. What is a clinical psychologist? Okay, a clinical psychologist is a mental health professional who is responsible for treating people who experience certain type of psychological discomfort. In this sense, I as a clinical psychologist are tasked with diagnosing a certain psychological disorder and then offering personalized intervention to psychotherapy. Psychologists also participate in research field, for example, contributing their opinions, knowledge in different scientific studies. Clinical psychologists also have the authority regulation in Article 17 of the regulation of the Minister of Health number 45 of 2017 concerning license and implementation of clinical psychologist practice are 1. Implementation of clinical psychologist assessment. 2. Enforcement of clinical psychologist diagnosis and prognosis. 3. Determination and implementation of clinical psychologist intervention. 4. Make referral. And then number 5, implementation of evaluation of the assessment process and clinical psychologist intervention. Okay, in his role, psychologist can work with a psychiatric or a doctor to treat a mental health problem. However, a psychologist has a deep enough role prevent, diagnose, and find out the cause of someone experience mental health disorder. Not only that, a psychologist also has another role to find a solution to problems or cause someone to a condition that a psychologist can treat, such as anxiety disorder, feelings of depression or disturbance in mood swing. Thank you.